best way to understand artificial intelligence is by comparing them with humans. Humans are by far the most intelligent creature to walk on Earth, and indeed are the ones who are trying to develop artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence or AI is a branch of computer science which involves logical thinking and decision making. It has two branches, symbolic learning and machine learning. In symbolic learning, machines learn by forming internal symbolic representations for the convenience. For machine learning, we need to feed the machine with lots of data for it to learn.
Machine learning is further divided into statistical learning and deep learning. Statistical learning means feeding various data in a machine for it to predict and analyze, whereas deep learning uses neural networks to solve complex problems. Humans are able to move freely and use their hands, legs, and body parts to do various activities.
This is the field of robotics under symbolic learning in AI.
Humans can talk and listen to communicate through languages.
This is the field of speech recognition under statistical learning.
Humans can read and write text in a certain language.
This is the field of natural language processing under statistical learning.
Humans can look around and recognize the objects that they see.
This relates to CNN or convolution neural network to process objects in a scene.
Humans can remember their past like the information or events that were previously encoded and stored in the brain.
Machines can also remember the limited past via RNN or recurrent neural network.
Artificial narrow intelligence is a type of artificial intelligence that tackles a specific subset of tasks. The examples of AI are autopilot feature of Tesla. Autopilot feature of Tesla allows the car to steer, accelerate, and brake within its lane. It uses the car's 8 cameras, 12 ultrasonic sensors, radar, and onboard computer to read lane paint on the road and detect surrounding cars. Google Assistant Siri Alexa. Upon receiving a request, Google Assistant Siri Alexa records the frequencies and sound waves from your voice and translates them into a code. Google Assistant Siri Alexa then breaks down the code to identify particular pattern, phrases, and keywords. Google Maps. Google Maps uses machine learning in combination with various data sources including horizon, location, data, historical traffic pattern, local government data, and real-time feedback from users to predict traffic. Sophia. Sophia imitates human gesture and facial expressions and is able to answer certain questions and to make simple conversations or predefined topics. Sophia uses speech recognition technology from Alphabet Inc. Sophia intelligence software is designed by Hasson Robotics. Face verification. Facial recognition uses computer-generated filters to transform face images into numerical expressions that can be compared to determine their similarity. These filters are usually generated by using deep learning, which uses artificial neural networks to process data.
Now let me demonstrate some AI software/programs. This is all created by a YouTuber who goes by the name of Code Bullet. As you can see on the screen, there is a game which is called Snake. The snake follows a certain pattern so that it can efficiently eat the food without dying by touching the borders or its own body. This is not exactly artificial intelligence. This is machine learning as it follows only a certain pattern and sometimes head toward the food by shortcuts. The second game is Flappy Bird, the famous game which got deleted by its own owner because it was too addictive. This AI works on the basis of rewards. As you can see, there are many birds randomly flapping around, but after all of them die, the best bird is chosen and multiplied. This process continues for generations as you can see on the top left corner. If a bot tries a new move without dying, it is given a reward. By giving a reward to the AI, it focuses on the move and avoids dying until it can clear many hurdles. The third game is a program where you can make a creature and make it walk. As you can see, it follows the same concept of the previous game Flappy Bird. Generation after generation, the best is chosen and multiplied until it can overcome death by getting rewards each time it makes a better move than the previous one. If you want to visit the website itself, I will be sending the link in the chat of the Zoom app. Thank you.
AI has many positive and negative aspects. The technological advancements have gone to such an extent that they have started to become smarter than humans. This isn't a huge problem unless they are left out of control. In my point of view, AI is helpful to humans rather than harmful. AI can also be used in various dangerous and hostile environments like to explore in space or to even mine, dig fuels, and endure problems that would injure or kill humans. AI has a low error rate with incredible precision and accuracy if coded correctly. AI don't feel any emotions, hence make decisions rationally with less or no mistakes. They are diligent. AI can assess people. This means that AI can be used for medical purposes such as health risks and emotional state. It can stimulate medical procedures and give info on side effects. Robotic radiosurgery and other types of surgery in the future can achieve precision that humans can't. AI can interact with humans for entertainment or tasks as robots or avatars. For example, AI can be used for playing various video games. Robotic pets can interact with humans, which can further help with depression and inactivity. Along with the positive aspects, there are negative aspects of AI as well, which should not be ignored.
Negative aspects of artificial intelligence. AI biases. AI algorithms are built with a bias or data in training sets they are given to learn from the bias. They will produce the results that are biased. This reality could lead to unintentional consequences like the one we have seen in the discriminatory recruiting algorithms. Loss of certain jobs. While many jobs will be created by artificial intelligence and many people predict a net increase in job or replace the one that are lost, there will be jobs but people won't match the efficiency which causes unemployment. AI terrorism. From the expansion of autonomous drones and the introduction of robotic swarms to remote attacks or delivery of diseases, our law must be strong enough to handle all these problems, and moreover these technologies have no emotions and can be controlled, so there might be chances of technology malfunctioning. Privacy. Privacy for using data has long been an ethical difficulty of AI. We don't know when the data of the private information is leaked, which also means there is no protection of users' private information. Balancing the power. The monopolies that are generating are distributing wealth equally, and that don't have a few countries that race ahead of the rest of the world. Balancing that power is a serious challenge in the world of AI.